What if in an instant every human on Earth simply disappeared? No warnings, no chaos, no time to say goodbye. Just an empty world abandoned by its makers. The buildings still stand, the traffic lights still change, and the echoes of our existence remain, at least for now. But without us, what happens next? Would Earth miss us, or would it breathe a sigh of relief? The human footprint. For over 300,000 years, humans have shaped this planet, bending nature to our will. From the skyscrapers piercing the clouds to the vast highways cutting through forests, we've left an undeniable mark. Our cities, machines, and technology seem invincible, but without us, they are nothing more than castles of sand, waiting for the tide to reclaim them. So, let's begin. Moment by moment, year by year, and century by century, as we unravel what Earth would look like without us. Day 1. The first signs of collapse. In the first few minutes, nothing changes except for an eerie silence. Cars sit idly in traffic, their drivers vanished. Planes still soar above, but without pilots, most will crash once they run out of fuel. In subway tunnels, water pumps fail and the underground slowly begins to flood. Across the world, millions of domesticated animals, pets, livestock, zoo animals are now trapped, unaware that no one is coming to feed them. The real collapse has only just begun. Week 1. The lights go out. By the end of the week, nearly every power grid has collapsed. Nuclear power plants automatically shut down, but some might overheat, triggering deadly meltdowns, turning certain areas into radioactive wastelands. At oil refineries and chemical plants, unattended fires and leaks create toxic disasters. Cities become death traps for animals left behind. Starving pets break out of homes, forming packs. In the wild, wolves and big cats sense the shift. They venture into empty towns, cautiously sniffing the air. The era of human dominance is officially over. Month 1. The battle for survival. Domesticated animals that once relied on humans now face the harsh reality of the wild. Dogs revert to their ancestral instincts, forming packs where only the strongest survive. Cows, pigs, and chickens, bred for human consumption, struggle. Without farmers, many won't make it. The few that do must adapt or become prey. In zoos, the lucky ones escape, turning the city into a strange new habitat. Imagine tigers stalking empty roads, elephants roaming through collapsed shopping malls, and bears fishing in backyard pools. Nature is reclaiming its throne. Year 1. Cities crumble. With no one to maintain them, roads crack and grass and weeds sprout through the pavement. Buildings begin to decay, rain seeps in, mold spreads, wooden structures rot. Bridges, once symbols of engineering triumph, start rusting without constant maintenance. Skyscraper windows begin shattering, first from storms, then from simple neglect. The air, once filled with pollution, is now cleaner than ever. Smog clears, rivers run pure, the world is healing. But something else is happening beneath the surface, something unstoppable. Decade 1, the Great Collapse. By now, nearly all human-made structures are crumbling. Without constant reinforcement, dams crack and collapse, flooding entire regions. Underground tunnels cave in. Nature has no mercy for abandoned technology. The climate shifts too. Without industrial emissions, CO2 levels drop. Global temperatures slowly begin stabilizing. The wild has won, but some remnants of human civilization still remain. Century 1, the last remnants of humanity. A century after our disappearance, nature erases our cities. What were once towering metropolises are now forests, swamps, or deserts. But some things endure. The Great Wall of China, Mount Rushmore, and the pyramids of Egypt, structures designed to last for eternity, still stand. Yet even they will not last forever. We have shaped this world, built wonders, and left scars. But without us, Earth does what it has always done. It adapts, it grows, it thrives. So the real question isn't what happens if we disappear. It's whether we'll learn to live with our planet before it no longer has a choice but to move on without us. What do you think? Would Earth be better off without us? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown.